Welcome back, students, to this mini lesson here in Active Inspire. So today we're going to learn on how to count money in big amounts. Because as we can see here, we have quarters, dimes, nickels, or pennies. So we're going to begin with these five. These five are just going to be an example, and then your worksheet will be found on ClassCake. So my head is not going to be on the camera because I'm going to be on my other screen. So meanwhile, let's begin. Okay, so at the top here, we're gonna solve for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I might as well write, well, I'll just put them wherever it wants, at the same circle on the same line. So let me draw some lines here. That way I could do that. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna be able to solve. Okay. So we're gonna first do the dollars, and then we're gonna do the, how's it called? The nickels, dimes, quarters, and pennies. So first we have $1.20, two fives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number ones. So that's gonna be basically, let me put it here in an expression way. That way you'll be able to understand it. So we have 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I forgot, plus 1, 6. Now we're going to find the total for that. So let me go into pen mode. So 20, ooh, it's a little thick. So 20 plus 5 is going to equal to 25. I'm not going to have neat handwriting here because I'm using my mouse. So now 25 plus 5 is going to equal to 30. And to save us some time, we're going to add all the ones, which are going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 30 plus 6. So our answer is going to be $36. But that is just for dollars. We have to still find the total for the nickels, cents, quarters. I'll be right back. Sorry, had to have something in a moment, but okay, so now we're gonna find the total for nickels, dimes, quarters, and everything. So these, when you have these heads, these are quarters. These are nickels, these are pennies, and these are dimes. So nickels, quarters are 25 cents each. So both of these are gonna equal to 50 cents. These are 5 cents, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25. And pennies, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But these are just cents. These are not dollars. These are just cents, which are after the decimal point. So we're gonna add all of those. Let me change colors. So we're gonna add 50 cents with a a decimal point, plus 25 cents with a decimal point on. Then we're gonna add 4 cents with a decimal point on it. So 50 plus 0.25 cents is gonna equal to 75 cents. So give me a moment. Let me put this in a perfect writing. 75 cents plus 4 cents is gonna equal, sorry for my lazy handwriting, gonna equal 79 cents. So since we have the decimal point here, I can now calculate that our total for all this money is gonna be 36.75. So that's for number 1. Now we're going on to number 2. So we have $2 of 20, $2 of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 of 1. So now we're going to solve for those. So 20 plus 20 is 40. There we go, 40. 10 plus 10 is 20. Ooh, give me a second. 20. And as I said, these number $1, there were 7. 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7. So it's going to be 7. Now, we're going to add 40 plus 20 is 60. But plus 7 is going to be $67. As I said, these are just for dollars. We're going to find now the total of cents. Let me make the dollar sign. There we go. Okay. So, these 3/4 are 75 cents. Ooh. God, I hate this. These are going to be 75 cents. There. These are going to be dimes, which are going to be in 10 cents. So, this is going to be 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. They're going to be 50 cents. Give me a second. Sorry for my lazy handwriting. 50. Oh god, I'm just gonna use text. You know what? That'll save me some time. Sorry. So these are gonna be 0.50 cents. Then the nickels are gonna be 5 cents, which is gonna be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So 25. And then we have our pennies, which are just 2 cents. Now we can be able to calculate that here. So I'm gonna put plus 75 cents plus 0.50 cents plus 0.25 cents plus 2 cents, which will give us our total. Now, I'm going to do this in pen now that it's going to be more easier. So, 75 plus 50. So, you can either use two things. You can either use your brain or you can use your calculator. But in this time, to save time, we're going to use our calculator here. So, we put 0.75 as we have it here, plus the plus sign, and then we're going to put 50 cents. And that is going to equal first to 125, but then you're going to add the plus sign, and then you're going to add 0.25 cents, which is going to increase the value to 1.50 cents. So now, but we have to add the last cents, so our total is 1.70 cents or 1/700. So we are going to add that to here, as we can see in our flip chart, 1.70. The 0 doesn't care, but if you want to put it, you can. So our total is going to be 6 below, 8 to the bottom. Now we're going to add 7 goes to that, and 0. So your answer can be 68.70 or it can just be 68.7. Now we're going to do number 3. As I said, we're going to start off first with the dollars. So we have $10 only, so 10 plus, we have 5, 10, 15, so 15 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus $4 equals how many? And then we have the quarters, which are 1 is 25 cents plus the dimes that are 40 cents. Remember to at the point 40 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 cents, which is going to equal to the total. Now, we're going to find out the answer. So, 10 plus 15 is 25, but plus 4 is going to be 29. That is going to be just for dollars. Now, we have the cents. 25 cents plus 40 cents is gonna be 65 cents plus 6 cents is gonna be like 0.71 cents. And for us to be clear, we're gonna use again our calculator here. We're gonna delete everything. We're gonna 0.25 plus 0.40 plus 0.6. Did I put it right? Wait. Let me do it again, sorry. 0.25 plus 0.40 plus 65 plus 0.6. That equals 65. So I made a little mistake here, and our answer is gonna be $1.25. I don't know why. I'm not sure if I'm doing it wrong. But it's gonna be 1.25. So instead of that, 0.171 is gonna be 1.25. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna add those up in our calculator. So we have $29 without any points plus $1.25, and our total, as we can see here, is gonna be 30.25. So since my time is limited and this video is already long, you're gonna work by yourself on the classic assignment you will be provided. So you won't need these other four because I already give you 3 examples. Make sure to go back to the video, and don't worry because I'll add also a picture attachment to this Google Slides. Okay, students? Have fun on your education. Peace.